Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope everybody's doing great. So today I'm back to share with you how to make this bandana. This is the cluster V-stitch granny bandana. Very easy and quick to make, perfect for summer and for anyone who likes the cluster or double V-stitch pattern. So if you want to see how to make it, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm using medium worsted yarn and 6mm crochet hook. It's perfect to use cotton yarn if you wish, but you can still use acrylic. So starting with a slip knot, I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 incomplete double crochet joined together. And then with 3 loops I'm gonna join all together. Chain 1 and repeat 2 incomplete double crochet joined together. And pull all. So this is my first cluster V-stitch and first row. So this is my first cluster V-stitch. I'm gonna chain 2 and repeat the same. 1 cluster V-stitch, which is 2 incomplete double crochet joined together, chain 1 and repeat 2 incomplete double crochet joined together to form the double V-stitch or cluster V-stitch. And this is the first row complete. Now onto the next row. I'm gonna chain 3, and this is going to be the repetition row throughout the project. In the chain 1 space of the previous cluster V-stitch, I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitches. One, this is the first one, and in the same space the second one. Like so. In the chain 2 space I'm gonna make 1 cluster V-stitch, chain 2, cluster V-stitch. So the first cluster, chain 2 and a cluster in the chain 2 space. Okay. And in the chain 1 space of the previous cluster V-stitch, another cluster V-stitch. And a double crochet at the end of the row in the previous chain 3 space. This is how it is so far. So the next row and the following ones till row 18 is gonna be the same. I'm gonna chain 3, turn, and in the chain 1 space from the previous cluster V-stitch I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitches. This will help me keep the shape of the triangle and keep it straight. The next one. And then in the next chain one space, a cluster V stitch. So the chain one spaces are only in the previous cluster V stitches, not in between. In the chain 2 space, I'm gonna make a cluster V stitch, chain 2, cluster V stitch. So first cluster, chain 2, and second cluster. And in the next chain 1 space, 1 cluster V stitch. I've got 2 more chain 1 spaces, 1 cluster V stitch each. And a double crochet in the previous chain 3. And this is how it is. We keep doing the same as I said till row 18, and then we'll see what's the next step to do. So here I am done with 12 rows of cluster V-stitch bandana, and then we're going to make the strap. So the strap is the usual one, very easy to make. I'm gonna chain 20 and then slip stitch to the starting point only. So the second chain from the hook, slip stitch and slip stitch in every chain. Just cut the threads. and then you can hide it in between the stitches. I'm gonna go on this side and do the same. I'm gonna join the yarn and then again chain 20. So again, same thing, slip stitch back. And fasten off. And then secure the thread with a double knot. And then you can hide it again in between the stitches. And this is how you achieve the cluster V-stitch bandana. Very easy, quick to make, and very pretty looking as well. There are different patterns I have done for the bandanas. You can choose whichever one you like, from the V-stitch, the granny stripes, the cluster V-stitch. So I've got the striped cluster V-stitch, and this is the granny V-stitch. So you choose whichever one you like and let me know. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.